Welcome to Panda Machines Pvt Ltd. Today we'll give an introduction about 120 ppm mineral water bottling plant, which will produce approx 7,200 bottles per hour. You require at least 8,000 liter RO plant to run this filling machine, to run this plant. So 8,000 liter per hour RO water purification unit is required, and this filling machine consists of 24 head washing, 24 head filling and 12 head capping. Once the bottle comes in the outfit conveyor, it goes for the automatic batch coding and labeling section. Automatic batch coding and labeling is done. Apart from this, you need at least 6 cavity PET bottle blowing machine to run this machine, which will give you an output of 6,000 to 7,000 bottles per hour. This packing machine will also give you a production around 7,000 bottles per hour at the rate 120 bottle per minute. This is automatic labeling section. This is BOPP labeling machine, and this one is shrink wrapping machine, and the one you are seeing right now, batch coding is being done. This is a batch coding machine. Once labeling is done, batch coding machine will put the batch number, date and price, and it will go for the group packing section. This is a fully automatic shrink wrapping machine. We also provide carbonated soft drink plant, soda bottling plant, fruit juice plant, and all types of food and beverage plant. You can contact us. Thank you.